Hey there, while I'm giving blood today, I'm going to come to you with a little bit of a market update as far as what happened over the past week or so. We've had some very big tech names like Microsoft and Meta posting very solid earnings. The market kind of made a correction on Friday, which is very interesting, but it's just a pause. I feel like maybe a slight correction is in order. We have been kind of extended, but the S&P 500 did pull back about 2.4% on Friday. Not a crash, just a little bit of a reset. And a couple of things that made investors that a little bit nervous was that, inflation is still hanging around. Core PCE came in at about 2.8%. The Fed held rates steady, but they're watching tariffs and prices closely. I think they got pressure from Trump to lower rates, and I think they're going to lower rates. The July jobs report, as you probably heard, was pretty underwhelming, but we think it was all full of crap. Trump later fired that department head, and so he's going to hire somebody else to give us some good numbers, which is a really good thing for our country. But we need accurate information. Small top stocks took it the hardest, but large cap growth, they lost a little bit of ground, but they're doing okay. So overall, the market looks really good. Maybe a little top heavy. But here's the thing, earnings season is actually going really well for these companies. The price to earnings ratios are being watched closely, and over 80% of the companies are beating their expectations. So it looks like we may be in for a good year or two here if we can keep the tariffs in order, and if we can also continue to provide solid earnings. We'll see. We'll see what happens. The bottom line is that the markets are moving. They're kind of moving a little bit sideways now, and they're inching up a little bit at sometimes. But we think that the markets they look really good, and we think they're going to continue to grow. So I think that's going to help with your retirement or investment strategy. And if you have any questions about any of that, give us a call. We'd be glad to help you answer any questions and how all the market is affecting your portfolio. So anyway, take care. Have a great day. We'll talk to you guys soon, all right?